In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposit on the Webull app. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the app like you normally would, go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says menu. Afterwards, please go ahead and scroll down until you see this section that says shortcuts, then press over here where it says more. Then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and keep on scrolling down until you see this section that says trading. Then once you're over here, you're going to see this option that says transfer and you want to go ahead and press on it. Then you're able to go ahead and select over here where it says direct deposit. This is a relatively new feature available here on Webull. So let's go ahead and select on it. And then afterwards, you want to select on set up direct deposit. Now, the main important thing is that you need to make sure that your employer information is correct, because obviously you're going to need your employer information in order to set up direct deposit. So go ahead and press over here. Then you need to confirm your employer name, and if for whatever reason it is not correct or you need to update it, press over here where it says modify to change it. Then press on continue. Then it is going to let you know all of your Webull account number, and for privacy reasons I'm going to be blurring out pretty much the entire screen, but it's going to give you the account number, the routing number and stuff like that, and all of the important information that you need to provide in order to actually get direct deposit on Webull. So you need to copy the account number, the routing number, give it to your employer, and then afterwards, once you're done with that, press over here where it says done, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.